Anytime you're making a dish like risotto or an orzo pasta based dish, it's a good idea to brown it just a little bit or toast it just to add a little bit of flavor. Here's how you do it. You add about a tablespoon of olive oil to a skillet, add in your pasta or your rice. I'm doing orzo pasta tonight. You can also do this with an arborio rice. Add that in there, and then I'm going to take a wooden spoon and we're going to leave it in here for just a couple of minutes and continue to stir it until it toasts just a little bit. And this just gives it a nice toasty and nutty flavor. And as you can see, it is slightly toasted, and so I'm going to move on to the next part of the recipe, which is coming soon, to Carolyn'sBloomingCreations.com, the Carolyn's Daily Dishes page. And let's smell this. Smells so good.